You've heard it before. Gold is a safe haven. That's the old story. The new one, gold is taking charge. Because in today's market, gold isn't just a safety play anymore. According to a new report by the World Gold Council, gold is something much more powerful. Gold is acting like a core asset. Institutions know why, and that's why they're pouring a wave of money into alternative assets. Because assets like stocks and bonds are slow to adjust when markets crash. Simply put, they don't react fast enough to protect investors. So, to escape the volatility, institutions are looking for returns outside of stocks and bonds. Can you guess where they're looking? Gold. When markets froze, gold didn't flinch. In 2008, 2020, and every recent liquidity crunch, gold held its ground while private markets stumbled, stalled, and repriced too late. Gold's different. It trades instantly, but still gives investors the same defensive strength they're looking for in private credit and hedge funds. During economic downturns like the housing crisis of 2008 and the world health crisis of 2020, gold held its ground. The World Gold Council found that gold stayed within 1 to 2 standard deviations during every major market shock. Quite simply, gold held its value while other strategies either froze or lost value. Monte Carlo ran simulations across 10,000 different portfolios, which show gold improving performance over 5, 15, and 20-year horizons. According to portfolio simulations from the WGC, adding just 8% gold to a portfolio lowered volatility, reduced drawdowns, and improved returns per unit of risk. In every stress test, whether it was inflation, rate hikes, credit spreads, or equity crashes, gold consistently reduced losses by 50 to 90 basis points. Meanwhile, private credit can be delicate. Loans can sour, exits can stall, and suddenly your capital is stuck in molasses. Gold doesn't get stuck. While private markets report quarterly, gold trades now. In times of market stress, gold acts as what the WGC calls liquidity insurance. When real estate locks up, when private credit freezes, when other diversifiers fail to diversify, gold is still there, still real, still liquid. At Augusta Precious Metals, we study what works. We're watching what institutions and the world's central banks are doing. And what they're doing is increasing their positions in gold. And according to the World Gold Council, gold is a core asset that improves portfolio performance.